Hi guys, welcome back to another video. It's Rebecca and we're back with a hair tutorial where I show you how to do this bouncy, curly, fluffy, pigtail kind of vibe. I did this on my own. I'm trying my best to try different hairstyles and this is what I came up with. I used to wear this hairstyle so much. It was one of my faves and I said, you know what, I need to run it back. Let's run it back. And I cut my hair myself. I don't advise, okay, get it professionally trimmed, but I just said I need my ends to go if I want to achieve something like this. That's why it's a bit fluffy, but we're gonna practice. I feel like I did a quite good job, so if you're interested in this look, make sure you keep watching and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you haven't already. I do hair videos, vlogs and girly chit chats. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video and let's get straight to it.
You're now listening to Tokyo F Sound.
What
You're now listening to Tokyo